Hello students, exercise 9.8 last sum number 10. Find the area of the region common to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 16 and the parabola y square is equal to 6x. Okay, first we have to concentrate on the curves given. The first one is circle. So circle equation is given as x square plus y square equal to 16. It is very clear that the center is 0, 0 and the radius is 4. 16 is 4 square, so radius is 4. So we can draw a circle with the center 0, 0 and the radius 4. Then what about the parabola? Parabola is y square is equal to 6x. It is very clear that y is having the power 2. So definitely y square equal to 6x. Here we are having positive sign. So it is a parabola open rightwards. Understand? So first we have to find out where do they meet. So let us find the intersection, point of intersection. So this is the circle. We have written the two data. What about the parabola? Vertex we can write. Vertex is the origin and it is open rightwards. Now let us see what is the points of intersection of 1 and 2. So just we have to solve the equations. Here also we have y square, here also we have y square. So let us substitute 6x here. So we are having a quadratic equation. So sum and product I have written. So I am getting the two values. So we may think that the circle as well as the parabola are cutting at 2 points in such a way that they have minus 8 and 2 as their abscissa. But it is not the case. That is, when x is equal to minus 8, let us find its own y. That is, when x is minus 8, what is y? So that can be found with the help of circle or the parabola. So if you substitute in the parabola, we are getting y square as negative. Y square cannot be negative. So definitely x is equal to minus 8 is not possible. So the parabola as well as the circle are not cutting at x is equal to minus 8. So only the value of x is equal to 2. Understand? So when x is equal to 2, what will be its y? So we can put here. So 6 into 2, 12. 12 is nothing but 4 into 3. Okay, 4 into 3 if you take root. So we are having y is equal to plus or minus 2 root 3. Why? Because the circle, look at the circle equation as well as the parabola equation. You are having here y square. Here also you are having y square. This curve is also symmetrical about x-axis. This curve is also symmetrical about x-axis. So whenever you get a point above the x-axis, there will be a point below the x-axis also. 2 points you will have. Understand? So anyhow, the circle and the parabola are cutting at 2 points. So the points are 2, plus 2 root 3. Another one is 2, minus 2 root 3. Understand? Okay. So that's what I have drawn now. So this parabola open rightwards, passing through the points of intersection and having 0, 0 as the vertex. And what about the circle? Already we have drawn. So now, which is the area and require now? So we have to find out. We have to find out the area of the region bounded by the two curves. So it is the whole portion. But it's very clear that the circle as well as the parabola both are symmetrical about x-axis. So definitely the area above x-axis is same as area below x-axis. So we are going to find out this area alone. And we can name this as A1 and we can name this as A2. Right? So this is A1 and that is A2. So we are going to find A1 plus A2. Afterwards we can double it. Okay. So the required area is nothing but 2 into A1 plus A2. Now what about the area A1? Now what about the area A1? So let us join the point of intersections. So this is actually dividing the whole area, that is dividing this top area into 2 parts. So one portion is A1, that is in contact with the parabola. The another one is in contact with the circle. So one is with the parabola and another one is with the circle. Okay. So here this area A1 is bounded by this line, y-axis, namely x equal to 0 and this is x is equal to 2. Okay. So this A1 is bounded by x-axis, parabola and this vertical and this vertical. And what about A2? A2 is bounded by x-axis, then circle and this vertical and this vertical. Here I have drawn a line perpendicular. So this equation is x is equal to 4 and this is x is equal to 2. Okay. So that's what I have written here. So required area is 2 into A1 plus A2. For A1 is in contact with parabola. So here we are using verticals. So here dx formula we want. So here dx means here we have to put y. Here also the area is above x-axis, both will be positive. And here this A2 is in contact with the circle. So and this area is bounded by these two verticals. So here I am putting dx. So this will be yc. Yc means from circle find y. From parabola find y. So this is the parabola. So take root. So you will have root of 6x. And this is a circle. From this if you put root, you will have root of 16 minus x square. Okay. So now we have to find the integral value. That is, here root 6 can be taken out. So inside this x power 1 by 2. So x power 1 by 2 if you integrate, x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. And what about this one? Here we are making use of this formula. That is x by 2 into the same root plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. Now compare this and this. If you compare, your a is equal to 2. Sorry, a is equal to 4. So just we are substituting the value. That is x by 2 into root of the whole, the same root, then plus 16 by 2, namely a square. A is 4 no. So 16 by 2 into sin inverse of x by 4, and the limit is 2 to 4. Okay, you should be very careful. Calculation is there. So here outside 2 is there, and this 2 will go upward. So and 3 will be there only. So it is 2 root 6 by 3, and if you put upper limit, it will be 2 power 3 by 2. What about the lower limit? It is 0. So I didn't write. And here 1 2, here 1 2 common. See, this 2 is outside. I didn't bring it into the bracket. It is outside only. And here 1 2, here 1 2 denominator. So I have taken the 2 as common factor out. So this is x into root of this plus 16 into sin inverse of x by 4, and the limit is from 2 to 4. Now we are finding this value. 2 power 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 power 1 and a half. That is 2 power 1 into 2 power half, namely 2 into root 2. So I have written 2 into root 2. But what about root 6 into root 2? That is root of 12. Root of 12 means root of 4 into 3. So 4 can be taken out. So it is 2 root 3. Understand, here I have written 2 root 3. That is 4 2s are 8, 8 by 3 into 2 root 3. So the first is over. Now the second one. If you put the upper limit, this will become 0. So 16 minus 16 is 0. So this won't come. So only this will come. That is 16 into sin inverse of 4 by 4. So 4 by 4 is nothing but 1. So sin inverse of 1. Sin inverse of 1 is 5 by 2. So second is also over. And what about the lower limit? That is minus of. Now put 2 here. So that is 2 into root of 16 minus 2 square plus 16 into sin inverse of 2 by 4. What is 2 by 4? 1 by 2. And what about this one? It is minus this 2 into, this is root of 16 minus 4 is root of 12. So root of 12 we know, that is root of 4 into 3. So that is 2 into root 3 plus 16 into, what is the sin inverse of 1 by 2? So sin will take the value 1 by 2 for the angle 30 degree. So that is 5 by 6 I have written. Okay. So the first one is here, and within the bracket we are having this one, then minus this one. Okay. This is nothing but 2 root 3. So if you multiply 4 root 3 plus, and here 5 by 6, you can cut these two. So you will have 8 pi by 3. So remove the bracket and you combine the terms. Here is on root 3 term, here is on root 3 term. We can take LCM for that. And here on 8 pi, here on 8 pi, we can take LCM for that. Understand? So then afterwards we are getting this. So take 4 by 3 out. So we are getting 4 by 3 into root 3 plus 4 pi. What is this actually? Area only now. So we can write here square units. Same problem can be done in another way. How to do? So that can be done like this. So instead of dividing the area into two parts, we can do like this. So draw one horizontal through this point of intersection, and through this you draw another horizontal. So definitely between the two horizontals, the whole area lies. So horizontal means we have to make use of dy formula. Which formula? Dy. So dy, but here you are having a right curve and left curve. So integral, actually the limits are, and here you are having the horizontal, if you put means it's minus 2 root 3 to 2 root 3. Minus 2 root 3 to plus 2 root 3 inside, x right minus x left. Okay, that is x from the right curve minus x from the left curve. What about the right curve? Right curve is the circle and left curve is the parabola. So using this also we can find out the area. Okay, you try by yourself. Okay, bye.